Hey guys, today we're going to draw Cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. So let's start. First we're going to draw a circle right here and make it pretty good size. And then we're actually going to do quite a few of these. We'll do another one that goes just around the edge. This is going to be the center eye of the camera, and then do one more, kind of like just drawing some rings. There we go. All right, now right in the bottom right corner, let's do one more circle. This is going to be the red light. And then let's do a square that goes around the entire outside. And I'm going to make the square just a little bit rounded so that it actually looks more like the cameraman. If it's just a full square, it won't look exactly right. All right, just like that. And then for kind of the top of the head, we're gonna come out, not quite in the center, but just below center, and come up and curve all the way around and down and over. And then on the inside, we'll just do another line that does the same thing. Just like that. All right, very top, we're gonna do kind of this little hat. All right, now let's go to the neck. The neck is just gonna be straight down. And we're gonna do a couple of squares that come off the edge. And then we're gonna curve the neck that connects them all. About like that. Now let's draw 3 lines on each side of the neck. All right, and then the collar's next. And we'll just go over and down on both sides, over and down. And then go over again and down. This is going to be for the coat, but stop about halfway, and then we'll come in just a little on each side, and then we'll do it again right below, so over and down. And then just draw a couple lines for the shoulders that go straight out. And then for the inside of the collar, start right about the middle of where his neck is, and just bring the lines down and then up. And then last of all, let's do the tie. Just like that. Okay, just to add some detail, I'm gonna do some drip lines right in the camera. This is gonna be for kind of the blood, be kind of cool. And then we'll do a few on the coat. Just some blobs, some drips, whatever you fancy. And then I'll probably color them in red. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I did. Make sure you follow along so you can see my next videos, and I'll see you guys next time.